Hey guys, welcome to lesson 3, and today we're going to learn about your blog title. Okay, so in this example, we're using a blog post that has already been written and published, so I can't change the permalink, which we'll talk about those later on, but I can change the title, and I want to show you why the title is so important. The title is what the person that is your reader is going to see first, and one thing I learned a long time ago at a Craig Proctor convention of all things is that the title of something, whether it be an ebook or a blog post or whatever it is what's going to get you to read it. Think about the newspapers, the titles that you see on the front page. What gets you to read it? It's always something that plays to your emotions, whether it's fear, whether it's excitement, whether it's something you want, desire, any of those things. So you really want your title to appeal to the person's emotion, make them feel an emotion that makes them want to say, I need to read that. Okay, so this is a great title. Listing your home is exciting, but can be a whirlwind for sure. But it really doesn't pull at me at all. And if I'm in Google and I come across this, this is what it's going to look like. So it doesn't really make me say, I have to read that. I have to read this article. So we're going to look for something a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and y'all know that I like my ChatGPT. And I'm going to say, rewrite this blog title and give me a couple of options and make it so it has a high click-through rate and appeals to my sense of emotions. And you can even look here, we're using rank math down here, and it's telling you it doesn't contain a number or two power words, or it does say I have a power word. So a number and a power word. Let's see, it has 7 different tips. It has a power word and a number in it. And let's go ahead and we're just going to copy the whole thing. Here is the current blog title and content. Okay, just posted the whole thing in there. So I wrote, rewrite this blog title and give me a couple of options. Make it so it has a high click-through rate and appeals to my sense of emotions and has a power word and a number in it. Okay. All right, so here we go. 7 brutally honest truths about selling your home no one warned you about. 7 powerful realities every home seller needs to prepare for. 7 shocking things. I don't think it's shocking, so we won't do that. 7 uncomfortable truths about selling your home that actually save you money. So what do we think? I don't think any of those really fit it. I think that we want to make it, so we want to make it more, you don't always going to get the great thing. So this I like. 7, I think we're going to use this one, but we're going to change it up a little bit. So we're going to use this one. We're going to say tips. And there you go. 7 tips about selling your home, what to expect from listing to closing. So that's a really good one. If we really wanted to be more emotional, let's see. We could always say something like that actually save you money, or try for a few more that will get clicks in Google that don't need to be emotional. Let's see what it comes up with. Oh, that's a good one. 7 essential steps to selling your home successfully from listing to closing. That's great. This I like. 7 must-know parts of the home selling process for first-time sellers. Or 7 smart tips for navigating the home selling process. 7 core steps. These are all really good. So I like this one, and that's the one I think I'm going to go with. It just seems more to fit this actual blog post. So 7 must know. Here's our power emotion word right there. Parts of the home selling process for first time sellers. So it makes me feel like if I was selling my home for the first time, I really would want to read this. So because this blog post has already been published, I'm not going to touch the permalink, but this is a better blog post title, and it's going to get me to click on this blog post. It's going to make me feel like I have a sense of urgency and I want to click on this blog post. So there you go. That's how I would do it. Writing a blog post, your title is critical to getting people to click through. If somebody sees your blog post and somebody else's blog post and yours is a boring title and it doesn't really make me feel any kind of emotion or need to click on it and read it, I'm not going to. But if it makes sense and it's something that appeals to my emotion, gives me a sense of urgency, and it has a good draw in title, it's going to make me want to click on it. So notice the content is all the same, but make a little change to the title and you can get more click-throughs to your website. And that's it for lesson 3. Stay tuned for lesson 4, where we're going to talk about your blog meta description.